Hello, it's the Sewing Cat. Today we're going to open up some packages. I ordered 4 sewing foots off of Wish, and we'll see how the quality is. This first one here is an elastic foot. You feed the elastic through and it helps ruffle at the same time. I believe this one is a ruffling foot. This is a 1/4 inch rolled hem foot. Looks very sturdy. I believe this one is just a hemming foot, I think. Here are all 4 sewing foots, so time to see how they do. Alright, getting these feet on are a little difficult, but you're going to take this off one of the other existing foot, and you're going to take the bar out. And then you're going to have to take the bar out of this one. And if it doesn't want to come out, you might just have to take a little hammer and just find something small and hammer it out. Alright, I tried fitting it through on this side and doing a normal stitch and see how that works. Okay, fairly better. Let's see. Okay, last thing I tried feeding it through this little hole on this side, and it looks like that might be the best way to do it. Just keep it nice and lined up. Yep, I think that works. I'm turning the tension up all the way, and we'll see how this does. Okay, looking good. Yeah, I think that's it. Alright, so I folded it over like this, and I think that's how you're supposed to do it. This one doesn't even want to fit in the machine, and it said something about industrial, so it's not for this type of machine, but it looks beautiful, and I hope it works well for someone else. Each of these were under $2 a piece off of Wish, with 2 working great. One of them I'm not sure how to work, and the last one not working at all. I'd say it's a pretty good deal. I also ordered a bundle of pre-cut fabric. This is a set of 3 of each color.